Alright, I'm just about done with this thing. I'm gonna do a little inspection on it and see what it needs or doesn't need. Okay, so the air cleaner's off. That does not look too good. Yeah, that thing is extremely old. It can probably be torn apart. Maybe not. We'll keep that off for now. I'm gonna take the spark plug off and look at that quick. Closer look here, you can see that it's okay. There's carbon buildup on it, of course. Any used spark plug will have some carbon buildup, so we'll take that off so that it has a nice spark. You hear that? It runs. Awesome. Thing doesn't even have fuel in it, so see gas tank. See all the dirt in there? May need a new fuel filter too. We'll see. Clean the carb and that stuff. New air filter. Should be good. Alright, let's go ahead and fix this thing up. The lady that I'm fixing this for gave me the go-ahead. That has been on there for a long time. We should be able to, yep, this carb's gonna come straight off. Take that off. And this side part, the one behind this one, goes right behind it. And that comes off too. I'm gonna take this carb off, and then on this side, try to move this so you can see it. The throttle piece is in the very middle. So, good. Now we have the carb off. Let's go ahead and clean this carb. Take this sucker off the top. She put a new one, a new bubble in. So we'll see what this looks like on the inside. Get this screen. The screen looks like it's broken a little bit right there, but we can, that's okay. We'll keep this one on because we don't want to break it. We'll just spray through those holes. So it did stay lubricated, so that's good. It doesn't look like it's dried up or anything. The screen doesn't look too dirty, so that's good. Just gonna go left to right. This diaphragm's pretty stiff. See if we can revive it. Just peeling straight off the top. That's not good. You see, it's not supposed to be like this, where you have to move it. It should easily go back and forth. Like all the sides. You see how that kind of sprung up? Now, we can gently use our magnetic bit to hopefully now we're gonna have to use our hands. It's an idiot. Alright, we're gonna bring this valve up with us. Hopefully, no. Alright, well, we got this one. Make sure the little thing's in there. Got that. Now, spring, screw and hit the thing until the valve comes out. That's not good. It's a good thing we cleaned it. Pull that thing up just like that. Yeah, it's gonna need a little clean. You can see it's kind of dirty. Everything is out that needs to be out. So now we can spray through the holes on the top areas and stuff. So clean. That's what I like to call clean. Now this side. I already scraped away most of that gasket too, so we're good there. See how it was black before? Now it's red. This one's focus. Want that to be red. That's why it was kind of getting stuck in there, because it wasn't, there was a little bit of dried fuel in there, but that's okay, because we got it clean. You can drop that in there, just like that. Next one. This thing doesn't really need to be cleaned, but we'll spray it off anyways, just to make sure there's no dirt on it. Now this part's really important. Make sure if you're doing this, that you put your spring back in, right in that little catch area. It should stand up, so it makes it a little bit easier for you. Then make sure that this piece is kind of in the middle, a little bit more on the right side if you're looking at it from this angle, and then push it down into, see, the spring came out. It's a pain in the ass, I'll tell you that. Okay, we finally got this stupid thing in. We are good to go. I'm gonna blow through this part right here. That should work. And we'll cover it with the little straw and see if it stops blowing air. So and then we'll clean the top of that, put that back on, and I'll show you guys after. Alright, now the carburetor's put together, we can take a look at this. We got fuel lines as well, and there is a fuel filter in here, so that's great. Alright, we got our monster pliers. This is what we call these ones. So let's go in here. This thing always gets the job done. Oh, and look at that. Yep, that definitely needed to be changed. You can see all the goo in there. Look at that. Fuel line's not terrible, but I've seen worse. We're gonna go ahead and cut this side of it so it goes in a little bit easier. Look at that. Let's get that crap out of there. It's like sitting oil too, so that's not good. Alright, you can see it looks a lot better in there. I got most of this crap out. Okay, it's coming. Oh, we got stuck going. Okay, now we can get the monster pliers in there and pull that sucker out. Come here, boy. Check that out. Cut the tip off so that the filter can go on easily. I need new pliers. The old filter literally left globs on the ground. So there's no clamp on this, you just put it on. There's no clamps on any Weedeaters, in case you didn't know. And just put that on just like that. Alright, that's good right there. We can do this side now. Just pull this straight out. Okay, there's what the return line looks like. And I can just go ahead and see if these are the same length. Oh, look at that. These are about These are like exactly the same length. Look at that. See that, baby? Go straight in there. That's awesome. Clean enough for me. So now we can I'm gonna put the long side on the top. I don't think it really matters because it fits this way, so I don't know. That is beautiful. That is. Okay. It's not starting. I'll mess with it a little bit. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit and see if it starts then. Try putting it halfway. Alright, try putting it whole. Okay, it's not getting fuel, it seems like. Let me pull this line off. The line doesn't look like it's bringing up fuel. Acting like it's dirty. It sounds like the diaphragm or something. It's probably the diaphragm. Alright, we got a nice package. Alright, we have the new diaphragm on, so it should be good now. I might have to tune it a little bit. I got my handy screwdriver. Let's try to start this thing up.